In this course, you'll learn how to integrate the SyncTree API with one of the leading no-code tools, Bubble. Bubble is a service that allows you to build web apps in a no-code way, and it has attracted a lot of attention for its flexibility and freedom to respond to both PC and mobile environments. In this course, I'll show you how to connect and test an external API deployed through SyncTree. Assuming you've already implemented a service through Bubble. To integrate an external API in Bubble, you need to install a plugin called API Connector. Select the plugin menu in the already created Bubble app. Click the Add Plugin button, find the API connector, and install it. You can see the list of installed plugin in the plugin menu. Click the Add Another API button to create an external API. The name of the API is getAirtableList, and the authentication method is none, because there is no separate authentication procedure. The share header and share parameter are the parts that you need to register. If there are common request parameters when registering multiple API, since this example uses only one API, there is no need to register them. Next, expand the collapsed API call area and enter the details. From here, you'll need to refer to the specification of the API you want to integrate with, which can be found through SyncTree's API Portal Admin. Enter the HTTP method and endpoint, and add the request parameters by referring to the specification. After registering the API, click the Initialize Call button to call the API to check if it works properly. If it is successfully registered, you can check the information of Airtable in JSON type through the API registered by SyncTree, and you can modify it to receive only some of the data responded directly from Bubble or change the data type. Click Save to save the API call information. At the end of this section, you can configure the API deployed by SyncTree to integrate with Bubble, and you can use it to get external data in the application you want to implement. Thank you.